guys, welcome to my channel. We're going to start off with Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Of course, you can use any eyeshadow primer you may have or any concealer that is useful for you. This will help me with keeping the eyeshadow intact in my eye so that way I don't sweat it off and it doesn't crease into my crease line of my eye. I'm going to go ahead and use a reddish eyeshadow to help give that vampire effect that I am looking for. Blend that in with a fluffy eye brush onto the crease and upper crease, and take a eyeliner and smudge it all over my lower eyelid. I'm going to go ahead and then use a black eyeshadow, tap it on top of the black eyeliner. This will help my black eyeshadow stay. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the eye crease brush and tap it into the black eyeshadow, the same one I used for my lid, and smudge it into the crease of my eye. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a clean, fluffy eye brush and smudge that crease to the red eyeshadow, so it gives it that ombre effect. Then I'm going to go ahead and smudge the black eyeshadow with a smaller brush onto my waterline, and same thing with the red shadow. I'm going to go ahead and then use the Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow from Stila called Molten Midnight to give an eyeliner glam.
Ew.
And then I'm going to go ahead and line my lip with black lip liner. And then I'm going to go ahead and smudge it on top and bottom lip so it gives it that ombre effect. I'm going to also add the red lip liner onto the top and bottom of my lip and smudge it so it gives it that ombre effect with the red and black. This is how it looks when it's all finished, eyelashes added. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.